Imagine this. Money flowing into your bank account while you're sipping coffee, enjoying your favorite Netflix show, or even sleeping. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm breaking down how you can start earning passive income through real estate, even if you're a total beginner. Let's make financial freedom a reality. Hey there, welcome back to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss tips on building wealth and creating the life you deserve. Real estate is one of the best ways to grow passive income, and today, I'm walking you through step by step on how to get started, even if you don't have a fortune to invest. Number 1. Why real estate is perfect for passive income. Let's start with why real estate is so powerful for passive income. Unlike a 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money, real estate allows you to leverage properties to create cash flow. Did you know 90% of millionaires attribute their wealth to real estate? It's no coincidence. Real estate offers 1. Cash flow. Rent your property and earn consistent income. 2. Appreciation. Your property's value grows over time. 3. Tax benefits. Deduct expenses like mortgage interest and property repairs. Plus, thanks to tools like real estate crowdfunding platforms and rental apps, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. I'll explain more in a moment. Number 2. How to start with real estate investing. Alright, here's a simple roadmap to your first real estate investment. Step 1. Decide on your strategy. There are several ways to invest. Buy and hold rentals. Purchase properties to rent out. House hacking. Live in one part of a property and rent out the other rooms or units. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in properties online for as little as $500. Step 2. Set your budget. You don't need to be rich. Start by analyzing your finances. How much can you afford for a down payment? Can you qualify for a mortgage? Platforms like Zillow and Redfin are great for browsing potential properties. Step 3. Research the market. Look for areas with high rental demand, affordable property prices, strong job growth. Pro tip. Use tools like Mashvisor or Rentometer to analyze rental income potential. Step 4. Start small. If buying a house feels overwhelming, consider investing in a real estate investment trust, right? These are like mutual funds for real estate, perfect for beginners. Number 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you dive in, let's talk about mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make these costly errors. 1. Over-leveraging. Taking on too much debt too quickly can backfire. 2. Skipping due diligence. Always inspect properties and research the area. 3. Underestimating costs. Maintenance, property management, and unexpected repairs can eat into your profits. 4. Going solo. Don't hesitate to consult a real estate agent or mentor. A good team can save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to start their passive income journey. And hey, drop a comment below. What's holding you back from investing in real estate? I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth. See you next time.